Hi guys, this is Ira. I make life and beauty content over here on YouTube. If you're new here, please take a moment and hit the subscribe button. Also hit the bell icon so that whenever I upload a video and you get notified with that, let's just jump into the video. So I am going to share my daily day skincare routine with you guys, which I do every day. In the daytime, nighttime is the different one and daytime is the different one. And first I always do the CTM, which is cleansing, toning and moisturizing. So today we are going in deep of cleansing, toning and moisturizing. So what I'm going to do is my cleansing, which I use for my everyday, is this Garnier Light Complete face wash. Reduces dullness and it has a vitamin C in it, which means lemon. It is very good and I like it very much. I absolutely use this every day. So what I do is I do it this way in circular motions on my cheeks and straight over here, and this way on my nose. I just circulate it because all the blackheads, whiteheads comes out in this, and then on my forehead. This part we every time forget. Please don't forget this part. Take your little fingers over here and just do like this. Don't forget your neck. As you can see, my face looks nice and clear after the face wash. Now what always we have to do is have a napkin with us, our own napkin, because everybody's skin texture is really different. They are oily, we are dry. So don't mix up your napkins with your family members. Keep it a separate one. Now what I always do is I do not rub my napkin on my face like this. We just have to dab the water and remove the excess water out. We should not rub like this because your skin gets harmed when you do this. Please don't do that. Always just dab your napkin on your face. Wherever you're wet, you just have to dab this way. This is my rose water. I always take a cotton. You can take a cotton pad also. I just drop it like this. I fold the cotton again. I just start exfoliating, toning my skin well. I just rub the cotton in my skin really well. Just don't do like this and leave it. Drag your skin like this upside and give a proper toning effect to your skin. Wherever you have acne, wherever you have dark spots or something like that, scrub over there. Scrub means take a cotton, do like this over there for a while, so that all the pores gets open. See, the skin is becoming red because the toner is doing its work. So I'm going to do it over here also. Nicely do it all over your face. And it also reduces pigmentation also. I had pigmentation over here. My skin was not doing that well in recent days. But now from when I started a proper skincare routine, Alhamdulillah, it is going great. And I have lot of tanning on my forehead because I don't know what is the reason, but I had a lot of tanning on my forehead. See, the tanning also almost going now. Guys, rose water is the best. And you can use milk also, raw milk. But if you want to go with the toner itself, you can go with the Good Vibes toner. It is also very good. The honey toner, so many flavors, so many this are there in that. Cucumber one, whichever suits your skin. Okay guys, I'm done with my toning. Now what I'm going to do is I am going to use a vitamin C and vitamin E serum, which comes like this. It has vitamin C and E both in it, and our skin feels really good when we are applying vitamin E and vitamin C on our face. I'm gonna first shake it. Whatever serum spray you are using, first activate it. This we cannot put in putting hands and we can just rub like that because all the product gets wasted. So what you can do is just shake it, give a nice shake to it, take the product out. You can put it this way also, but I think this way I'll waste the product. I'll just take 3 drops in my hand. I just need 3 drops. This is the 3rd drop. I'll take a little more to show you guys. Okay. Now, I've already activated it. I'll put it under my eyes, near my mouth, and on my forehead. The left out thing I'll take and apply to my cheeks. It is mostly important. Vitamin E and C, what it does, it reduces your pigmentation. So this is what we are doing. Nicely rub into your skin, give a nice massage this way. It smells really good. this way. Always take your hands to the upside. Please don't do drag like this. Take it to upside. This is your hairline. This is your hairline, and whatever product you are applying in skincare or creams, you have to take it to your hairline. See, this way, you have to take it to your hairline. Basically upside. Okay. Now I'm done. The left out product which I have, I'll go with my neck. Okay. Okay guys, after my serum, what I am going to use is the Irm Restoring Serum. This is a very good hydrating serum. It also acts like a primer. It also acts like a moisturizer. It is very good and it suits my skin really well. It is anti-wrinkles, skin restoring and skin brightening, which is very important to our skin. I'm just gonna put a little bit of it. This is kind of a little sticky. First, you have to apply all the water-based products so that it gets synced in your skin. After that, you have to go with your... This is the serum. I'm taking the serum and gently applying all over my skin. Left out product I'm taking to my neck. I'll just massage really well and I'll be back. So guys, as you guys are seeing that after this procedure, my skin looks very hydrating, very clear, very nice. As you can see, it is looking very clear, very dewy. See, very dewy, very nice and good. Now I always apply a lip balm also for my lips. The lip balm which I use is from the Swiss Beauty. It is a tinted lip balm. I just apply it a little bit. And yeah. So my skincare is done guys. This is it for my skincare routine, which is a very easy procedure of at least 5 to 10 minutes. That's it. If you are doing this procedure every day, but the products which suits your skin, with the products which suits your skin will get glowy, nice, clear, and all your pigmentation will go. Everything will be good and nice. So please do try it guys and let me know. Thank you for watching this video. Also hit the subscribe button also. Please don't forget to hit that bell icon so that whenever I upload a video and you get notified. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.